What is up, guys? I'm back again yet with another one. Today, I don't want to take much of your time. I just want to discuss a new strategy that I have for you. It's a strategy that I use almost all the time. Pretty simple. If you've been following me, you know that I always emphasize on keeping everything simple. No need to complicate things when we can actually all just be profitable with looking for the right things at the right time and executing. Right. With that being said, let's get straight into it. Today, I just want to beg all of you for this strategy to look at the market as tops and bottoms. What do I mean by as tops and bottoms? Basically, that you look at the market as a double top or a double bottom. All right. So this will be happening on the daily chart for this strategy. Okay. I want you to pick up double tops and double bottoms on the daily chart. See, the thing is, when we have been trading, especially maybe for a long time, we tend to forget what we actually are doing. We're actually trading price. Can you see on the right side here? It's actually price. People get so mixed up with the patterns and the candles and everything that they forget that these price levels actually mean something. It's not just a pattern. So with this strategy, we will be taking advantage of the fact that especially with synthetic indices, right? It's algorithms that make this market up, right? So when these algorithms place volume into the market, you need to realize that they look at price points, right? So it will be basically for them, it will be on the 11th of November, let's just say, price failed to over exceed level 2692. All right. So the algorithm will pick that up and price might just exceed a little bit, but it will not go above. In fact, it hardly does. So let's keep that into mind. Let's keep this in our minds that when we spot a top or a bottom, let's always realize that when the second touch of that top comes about, especially on the daily chart, price rarely exceeds that top or bottom. What do I mean? Okay, so this is a top right here, right? And this is the second touch of that top, making this a double top, right? And look what happened when price came in here. It just exceeded just by a bit. This is the daily time frame. So what they'll be doing here is probably just manipulation. If you are a day trader and you stick to the M15, you might have been buying or doing funny things here. But because you have the right information, you know that this is on a daily time frame. This is a double top, and we are expecting a change in market direction. So at these tops or bottoms, at the second touch, at the second top or the second bottom, I want you to look for three main things. I want you to firstly look for either a key structure break, a head and shoulder pattern, which is a very famous and a very profitable reversal pattern, or a trend line break. So it's those three things: key structure break, a head and shoulder, or a trend line break. That's what we'll be trading. So what you look for these patterns on the H1 time frame. Okay. So we have our first top here, second top here. We scale down to the H1. Let's see if we have any of the three things that I've just mentioned that we look for before we execute a trade. Let's look at this example and try find out if the market gave us the cake that we always wait for. Okay, here we are, H1 time frame. Great. What I can see is that we have a trend line, all right, that is leading into our second top. All right, so this red line signifies the red horizontal line signifies the price point for the first top, right? So now this is our double top formation. We want to always enter the market when we know that the sellers have taken over the market. It's no longer a buying market, which is what justifies the entry after the candles have closed below the trend line. Momentum has shifted, then we watch the market go in our favor. Can you see this? Stop losses are maybe somewhere above here. It doesn't matter, because if you've been following me, you know that I only trade strategies with a lot of reward. When it comes to risk, we want to make sure that we're getting a lot out of each trade, right? So look at the risk to reward for this. It's insane, right? Okay, so let's move back to our daily time frame. Let's see if we can find maybe even a double bottom. Just view the market as a double top or a double bottom on the daily chart, and you will thank me later, guys. It doesn't have to be complicated. It's very simple. Like I always say, something so small can make you a lot of money, right? This is the first bottom here, and we have our second bottom here. In this example, it didn't even exceed, it behaved. Let's see if we can find any of the three things that I did mention we look for in this area, right? So we scale down to the H1. That is exactly where we'll be looking for either a key structure break, a head and shoulder, or a trend line break. All those patterns will be signifying to us that the trend has changed and we are taking advantage of the market. All right, great. Here, I can already see a head and shoulder formation. This is my left shoulder, right? This is my head. This is my right shoulder. We have our neckline here. As soon as the neckline broke, signified by this 1 hour candle close above the neckline, we were in the money. Look at that crazy momentum we joined the trade in. So, you know, the strategy speaks for itself, guys. If you look for those three things and you find them at either a double top or a double bottom, you always be in money. Many people ask, how does someone swing the market and all of that jazz? Look at this. This is the daily time frame. So you got your pattern in here. You could be holding this for all these days. These are profits. And imagine your entry point. Your entry point had a zero drawdown on it. Okay. So let's think, guys. Let's favor, you know, just being wise and not wanting to trade all the time. All right. Okay. I believe this is definitely a bottom right here. And so if the market gives us a double bottom, we know what to look for on the H1 time frame. We'll be looking for either a key structure break, a head and shoulder, or a trend line break. Right, let's see H1. Let's see if we can find this. So this is even just a mixture of everything that I've been talking about. One person could, this is where the subjectivity and maybe even experience comes into play. One person could say this is a head and shoulder, left shoulder right here, right shoulder over here, right? And this represents the head. And then we have the neckline, right? And then upon the break, we enter the trades and we watch the market go, right? So that's one thing, but also apart from just the head and shoulder pattern, right? I also see a key structure break. This is just a structure point, guys. Look at it. Let's just use our common sense. So we have our daily bottom, right? Over here. Price comes in here and then it starts breaking structures going up. And then we get a nice and convincing structure break like this. Why can't we enter this market? We put our stops here and just ride the trade. We can, right? Okay, let's move on to another chart. Let's see if we can find more. Look, the market hardly exceeds the first top or the first bottom. Look at this. Look at this. This is the first top, right? We stretch it forward. We have our second top right here. Understand, all you need to do is go on the daily time frame and look for double tops and double bottoms for you to be consistent. Okay, it's as simple as that. Don't let anyone overcomplicate anything. Remember what I told you. It's just about the discipline. All right. So here, what do we have? We have our second top here. Let's scale down into the H1 to see how we could have entered. Remember, we're getting zero drawdown entries. This is the daily time frame. This is like, I don't know, this is 72 hours of profits, guys, right? And like once the trade goes in your favor, nothing stops you from putting your stop loss to entry if you want, and then just ride and see how the market can treat you. All right. Okay, what do I see here? I see a trend line into our key area, which is our double top, right? Why is the trend line? Obviously, this line, there's sensitivity here, there's touches, and it's actually reacting. Remember, we want a reason for us to enter, which is a momentum shift, because we know what's coming here. We have the information that price does not exceed tops and bottoms because algorithms are set at these areas on the daily time frame, worse on the weekly if you're like a super swing trader. Okay, this is why I'm giving you the nuggets in the sense that I want you to start on the daily and just trade the double tops and the double bottoms, scale down to the H1 and look for either a trend line break, a head and shoulder, or a key structure break. Okay, what do we have here? We have a trend line break, and then it closed right here, our stops above, and look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is just profits and profits and profits, guys. You understand? If you maybe didn't see the trend line because of the subjectivity of trading, no problem. You saw a key structure break right here. You see, the thing is, look at this. This is definitely a key structure. Why? Because there's 1 hour in which price was dilly-dallying here and it went in there, came back, whatever happened. But then after this structure broke, it signifies that the momentum has shifted. The sellers have taken charge of this market. It's no longer a buying market. Okay. All right. Let's look for maybe one or two more examples on this chart. I'm not taking much of your time today. I just want to share with you a really quick one. This is a quick one, guys. You know, it doesn't have to be complex. Right here, we have our top, right? Connect these 3 wicks here, nicely make sure, right? Then we have our second top here, right? We scale down to the H1. Can we maybe see something in there? That's, can we see these 3 things that we always look for in this area? What do we have? Okay, we have, in this case, a key structure break. This is a structure. Oh my gosh, sorry, what have I done? Okay, let me just go back there. This is definitely a key structure that's led into our second top, right? And what happened? The candle closed below our structure, and then we went. It's all the same things. You just need to look for the same things. Train your eye, be patient. And these double tops and double bottoms on the daily are happening every day. Open up your charts and try look for that. So now the beauty of this strategy is that if those 3 things are not presented, if there's no key structure break, if there's no head and shoulder, if there's no trend line break, you do not trade it. You do not trade that double top or that double bottom. Okay. All right. So that's a quick one today. That's basically it. I just wanted to show you once again how we simplify things on my end, how I look at the markets. It's all about perspective. Other people see a lot of things. Maybe they're seeing trends, maybe they're seeing channels. And this is not to dispute someone else's trading strategy, but I'm saying let's look for the reward in what we're doing. All right. Let's look for the reward. If I'm trading something, I don't want to just make 100% the account then, you know. I mean, I guess, you know, tastes differ. If that's your vibe, cool, fair, do that. But, you know, if I'm actually risking my money and I'm trading in the markets, I want to make sure it's worth it. And so that's why I share these strategies, because this is exactly what I use. And once again, please like, share, and subscribe if you like my content. And I'll be always dropping more content. And if you're interested in my mentorship, because now with my mentorship program, I go deep into detail. Obviously, this is just like a nutshell of what I'll be doing. But with my mentorship program, I just make it in such a way that you know exactly what to look for and you know how to catch these trades on a daily basis. I've also developed my trading strategy playbook with all my strategies. It's a where I explain all my strategies in detail as well. So, you know, you can contact me for all those things, and we can take it from there. Enjoy, guys. Happy trading. And let's kill the markets. Ciao, guys.